Hello, hello, hello. Yes, this is the working. Can I just start off? Oh man, it's doing the thing. Wait. New. Heavy control. This issue. Yes. Now it works. Although I saw last time it was a bit too low. So we're gonna like bump it down to this. As you can see, today we're not doing the drawing stream. We're actually doing a math stream. Why are we doing a math stream? Because I need to do more math. Why do I need to do more math? I don't know. So, I found something funny on the Internet Archive. It's like a textbook. Also, let's make this a bit smaller. Make it full screen. Oh, let's actually make it a bit bigger, just 500%. Maybe I just write I mean, it is this one, so why are you not showing the cursor when it's there? Strange. I have show cursor enabled. Okay. can insert it right. Why is it so low quality? But it would result in the same thing, wouldn't it? I don't know. I'm gonna leave it like that because that makes more sense to like. And then we're gonna see if it's right. I'm gonna use the stupid fucking calculator to do that. So what do you have to do that? So b minus 1, right? Or b to what is it? 3 times b to the power of minus 1. Let's look at like another rule. What's this e to the power of ln times x. It's but why no? But why no? So apparently I've just looked it up in the calculator because again, I'm sorry if this triggers anyone. I'm not that good at math or stuff. Mit der ich reproduzieren muss, eben reproduzieren muss, bis hin zur Zeit. Wenn ich eine Zahl let's just head on. Let's get smart again. It's a fucking Apex. Oh my god. Why are you always there, man? Stupid fucking Apex, man. Let's put this onto a different monitor because I don't need it right now. Like this. Yes, okay. God damn it. then 8 and 9. So you can get these two together and say, okay, yeah, that's just 2, and then 2 to the power of 3 minus 3 to the power of 2. Oh, that's cool. 8 minus 9 minus 1. That's perfect. Okay. We're getting somewhere. If it's not 4, then I'm gonna be mad, because it's like one of the rules that I actually memorized. Because it's like a rule. No, it's not 4. Fuck, it's not 4. Why is it not 4? It's 2. It's the... God, it's not 1. If this is 2, then this is 0. Oh my God. 4 times. I did the right thing though. I have to get back into the game. 3. So this is just you. Oh, that's cool. Okay. First finished. Time for second. Oh wait, I have that on the same paint layer. And let's do this, and then we do that. how did you resolve this thing? There's like multiple options. Of course, it's gonna be something along these lines, and then you're gonna put a 9 here. But is it gonna be like 9 squared, or is it gonna be the 2 here? I'm guessing that you have to put the 2 here. And then X, right? That's what I'm guessing. It's like, not really educating. 2x equals 9. And then we have 2 times. It's the same thing. Okay, so this is is it gonna be squared one? It's also not gonna be squared, so it's difficult all the time. Alright. You can make mistakes, bad to make mistakes. But you want to get 9. No, that's wrong. That's wrong. No. Wait, is it this? No. Jetzt dauert so. Also mit welcher Zahl muss ich da runter? Zu I think that's the answer. Yeah, let's go. Okay, okay.
Same place, same time.
It's the first.
Be
it's
there.
the
Be
first. I guess right. That So we Or do I just direct 70 dollars? No, that would make sense. So what if it's like E2 plus X? I'm just gonna try it out and calculate. I think like let's try it out. First of all, is of course root 7, and then we're gonna see what we're off. So I'm going to have to do the next first. So you're not gonna see it on screen right now because I'm thinking of like a calculator that I have sitting next to my PC. So that's a negative number. What if I make it like... Yeah, that makes sense because then I'm maybe natural logarithm. Wait. Is it maybe natural logarithm? Oh, that's way complicated. Okay. it works, yeah. What? Well, okay. Yeah, sure, I guess. Okay, that's stupid. It's probably like the most gust way to get to the So apparently, let's do this again. Okay. So you have this apparently this here of 4 minus 3, correct? Like yeah, minus 3 divided, or not divided. Maybe we do it like how we did it before. Minus 1, 7 minus multiplied with that. That's gonna be like my bracket equals x. Damn, okay. Stupid way to get to the solution, but yeah, I guess it makes sense. This is here, it's like do every step of it. So that's 7x equals 4. And if you want to get the solution of that, you're gonna have to do like the logarithm. So you get 4 equals 3 minus 7x, right? And then you just go L and 4 minus 3 divide that by 7. Yeah, that's a pretty easy way to do it actually. Yeah, I think that's the way that before that was just like this. Alright, continue. That was just me. Yeah, let's make it easy. 2x minus 4 times the power of e to minus x. Yep, that's a tricky question, I believe. So we're gonna have to see. Yeah, let's do it. I think that's gonna make it way easier. So we're gonna have 2x times e to the power of minus x minus 4e to the power of minus x, right? So then we have like 2x e to the power of minus x, first of all, I can divide it by 2. That's gonna make it easier for me. I'll have x e to the power of minus x equals 2 e to the power of minus x. 2 to the power of 2 minus 2 to the power of 3 times 2. Right? It's gonna be the same as saying that I have
suffix and drive.
Yeah, I know. So that's wrong. Okay, I get it, it's wrong. But if that's wrong, then if the other thing's really, is the other thing really the closest thing I get to right? So let's delete x. And then something something to the power of 2. Let's see what e to the power of 2x is. Let's see what e to the power of x. x equals, and then you have 2x, and then I'm just gonna resolve it. I can't be bothered. ICBA. 3 minus 27 equals 0. I think this is multiple. Yeah, this is multiple. Next to it. So, x this is supposed to to my calculations, of course. I think the minus can just be put in front of it. But let's see if that's right now. Because if that's right, and I think that's freestyle, then I actually approved of the course of today. Because I remember the first, which was like a bit easier, but I didn't type on that was actually like so epic. I would be so happy. E2x divided by E3 equals x, which means x equals, and then you have ln, no, minus ln if that's right, then I think I got it. X plus 2 minus e to the power of x 2x equals 0. Then we do minus ln undivided by e to the power of 3, which is that's 3. That's 3. But apparently it's only supposed to be 2. Oh, maybe no. I forgot the other e. I forgot the other e. E times. Yes, yes, I fucking did it. Get dunked on. Get fucked. Okay, I didn't do it fully. Really thought I could answer, but still, that's pretty fucking solid for me. That's like better than like a few seconds. I'm back, baby. I'm online. Okay.
George, Jorge, George Clinton. George.
I don't get it, man. I don't get it.
You love me now. And the sun goes down. Lights out.
I was just dreaming about.
When you fall along in Spain and want me to feel the same, don't you lie about you You've been telling everyone that I stood you up. Tell everyone that you shut me
Okay, I might be